Newton's third law of motion is a super cool rule that explains how everything around us moves. It says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Think about bouncing on a trampoline. When you jump, you push down and the trampoline pushes you right back up, sending you flying. Or when you kick a ball, your foot pushes it forward, but the ball pushes back on your foot too. You don't feel it much because it's light, but it's there. Swimming works the same way. When you push the water back, it pushes you forward. Even jumping off a swing, your feet push down, and the swing pushes you up. Newton's third law is like a secret rule that makes everything move. Newton's third law of motion is fascinating. It tells us that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Think about jumping on a trampoline. When you push down, the trampoline pushes you back up with the same force, and that's why you bounce. Or consider kicking a ball. Your foot pushes the ball, and the ball pushes back on your foot, even if it feels light. This law is everywhere, whether you're swimming, pushing, or jumping. It's a reminder that every action has a reaction, making our world a dynamic place.
Newton's third law of motion is all about action and reaction. When you jump on a trampoline, you push down, and the trampoline pushes you right back up. It's like a fun game of push and pull. When you kick a ball, your foot pushes it forward, but the ball pushes back on your foot too. Even when you push a wheelchair, the wheels push back, helping it move. And with a toy car, every time you give it a little push, it rolls forward while pushing back on your hand. This is how everything around us moves. Understanding this makes our world a fun and balanced place.